Welcome back to another episode of Hard Hat Heroes, and this time we're going to recognize Shop 64, our shipwrights. Shop 64 has adopted a model to start the project and shop interactions 12 months before the availability even starts. Their efforts of designing, planning, and building the scaffolding surrounding Louisiana are so incredibly important. The shipwrights trigger the exact material from the shipwright processing center, so that material is delivered just in time versus this massive delivery of scaffolding pieces and parts. And it allows everyone to get to the boat easily and perform their work on the outside of the boat in a much better environmental condition. Now, let's go do this. They have no idea. Well, guess what? I'm here to tell you guys you are our hard hat heroes. Yeah! Woo! Can you tell me a little bit about the planning and what it takes to make it look like this?
We started probably 9 months before the avail, and just met up with the project team, found out their scope of work, and went from there. And then we get with our supervisors and mechanics. They come up, we go over the project with them, and they put in their input. And then I also base my scaffold designs off that. And then, but those are the guys that do all the work.
It's part of the job. It's what we do every day. The environmental conditions to do the work, to not miss a minute, so our sailors can go do their mission is absolutely incredible.
I'm really proud of these guys, you know.
We're proud of these guys. I love it.
They have fun doing it too.
Yeah. All right, because we got one mission.
One team!
Great job. Woo! All right. All right, guys. Thank you. Well done.